Hi, my name is Hank Ellison. I'm a Michigan State University instructor. Today I'm going to do some monitoring in a confined space. To do that, I need to get my air monitor ready to use, and I want to use a standard operating guide to make sure that I do it properly. Okay, per my standard operating guide, the first thing I want to do is inspect my monitor. I'm going to look at the display, the sensors, the filter, the general condition of the monitor, and the air inlet. The next thing I'm going to do is turn on the monitor. To do that, I press the power button one time and hold it until it beeps and lets me know. I'm going to watch the display and check for the calibration date to ensure that it's in calibration. At this point, I'm going to wait until it goes into standard mode. At that time, all four of the parameters will show up on the screen. And it gives me 2 confidence beeps. And here we have the 4 parameters. I have methane or %LEL, I have oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon monoxide. At this time, I need to test the air inlet to make sure that it is pulling air in through the filter properly. I'm going to block the sample. It's going to alarm to let me know that I've had a failure. To fix it, I'm going to press the silence reset button. At this point, I'm going to do a fresh air 0 to ensure that the sensors are working properly. So I'm going to press and hold the air button until it tells me to release it. So now it's telling me to hold the air key. It's adjusting to 0. It beeps and says release the air key to finish adjusting to 0. If I were going to use it without the hose to monitor a confined space, I would be in the correct mode at this time. However, I need to monitor into a confined space. So the next thing I need to do is to look at my sample hose and probe and make sure that they're working well. I need to inspect them to make sure that they're not contaminated, dirty, and they're put together properly. Once I've done that, I'm going to attach the hose to the top of the monitor. I'm going to pull on it to make sure that it's properly attached, and then once again I'm going to block to make sure I have no leaks in my hose. To reset, I'm going to press the reset button. My monitor is now ready to use and monitor in a confined space.